Hello viewers, welcome you all to Revamp ED YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to see a BSc as well as MBA admission notification. Here the institute is SARDAR Vallabhbhai Patel International School for Textile Management. So it is located in Coimbatore. So you can see that Coimbatore is well connected with the train as well as flight. So you can see here the subjects which is in specialization BSc textiles. You can see that the 80 plus 8, so 88 seats are there. So here BSc textile chemical processing, so it is 40 seats, and then BSc nightwear technology, it is 40 seats. You can see that the MSc technical textiles, so it is 40 seats. You can see that the MBA apparel management, retail management, and then textile management, so it is totally 132 seats. So if you would like to get admission in the SVPISTM Coimbatore, so you can do apply to the CU set. We have already uploaded many videos regarding that. You can click the link and then you can apply to Central University Tamil Nadu. So based on that, you will be get admitted in this institute. If you would like to get more information about admission notifications, please do subscribe to Revamp ED YouTube channel. Thank you.